Hello children, hello children, how do you do? How do you do? We are doing patterns in subtraction. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. Now, we have done patterns in addition. We have done patterns using different numbers. But when someone looks at the board, what can you tell me about this? Teacher, I remember this one looks like counting in tens. Very good. Now, when we did the counting in tens and we said there was one common thing about the numbers that we are talking about when it counting in tens. If the number ends with a 0, all of them must end with a 0. If the number ends with a 5, all of them must end with a 5. If the number ends with a 3, all of them must end with a 3. They never change. For example, if here it is 70, take away 60. What am I supposed to get? 50. I take 50, I take away, you're not telling me it is 10. How can I even forget? Take away 10 gives me 40. What is 40? Take away 10. Very good. That's nice. We did the subtraction of tens using the place value chart. Who can help me out? Teacher, make sure the ones are in the ones place value and nothing. Take away nothing is nothing. Now I'm remaining with 4 tens and 1 10, which will give me 30. So what is our missing number? Our missing number is 30. Are we together? Now, someone help me do the second one very fast. Teacher, can I just give out the answer? No, you must tell us what is happening. What if you give us a wrong answer? Or you've just looked somewhere and gotten the answer? Yes, Oscar? We do 85, take away 10 to give us 75. Then 75, take away 10 to give us 65. Then 65, take away 10 to give us 55. So the missing number is 55. Very good, but Oscar, have you finished? But the other one, the number is there, teacher. Just do it. 55, take away 10 should give you 45. Nice. Now, the last one. Teacher, we carry it for homework. No, we have to finish. I'm giving out homework differently. Yes, Janet, let's go. Let's go, Janet. Go, Janet. Go, Janet. This is 90. Take away 80. What is 90? Take away 80. It is? No. Are we taking away 80? No. We are taking away 10. So it will give us 80. Then we come and take 80. Take away 10 to give us 70. Then 70. Take away 10 to give us 60. Now, what is 60? Take away 10. Someone to calculate it for us. Using the place value chart, we'll do 60, take away 10. Then we do nicely. The ones are here and the tens are in here. Then we are saying a 0 take away a 0 should be a 0. A 6 take away a 1. 6 in the head, 1 finger out. 6, 5. So we get a 5. So our missing number is 50. Up to there. Who still feels like not getting anything? Now, during your own free time, calculate this. 80, 75, 70, 65. Then you give me the missing number. This is A. The second one is 80, 70, dash, 50 dash. So that when we meet in the next lesson, we are going to go through and find out which ones are the missing numbers there. Up to there. We have now done our subtractions. We have done patterns in subtraction. We have done number line in subtraction. We have done counters and so many other things. Is there someone who feels like, teacher, I still need more practice in this subtraction? If you still need so, you can talk to me anytime you feel like. But meanwhile, I wish you all the best as we look forward to mingle and interact with the different methods we have done in subtraction. I wish you well and have a lovely evening.